Delight, and I am doing something new today. I am going to be opening up this package from Back to Earth Creations. I became a $50 patron on Patreon, and this is my first Patreon box. So I'm going to open that. And let's see what we've got. Oh, we're not open all the way here. It doesn't want to open. Way to open this. I think I'm opening it the wrong way. There we go. Okay. Oh, how fun. I ordered the random kit, and it does look random. It is going to go between chainmail and wire wrapping. So let's see what we've got. So this one looks like it's chainmail, which I've never actually done before, so I'm excited about that. It looks like we've got some 18 gauge 3/16 inch rings. Those are very nice. Nice good size bag of those. And let's see, we've got 16 gauge 1/4 inch rings. Quite a large amount of those as well. It's a good amount of rings for, looks like, a few projects. Ooh, one of her wonderful resin baubles in blue. Looks like we've got some sparkle in there. It's really pretty. Ooh, we have a beautiful shell. I love shells. That'll look nice on something. Or put something in it. Oh, we have another resin. This one is a round. Very nice. Oh, we have some earring hooks and little shell charms. The little earring back stoppers so they don't fall off. We have some more rings. These are 16 gauge and 5/16 inch. Take everything else out of here and put this to the side. And then these are 18 gauge rings in 1/8 inch. And then we have some, looks like her famous cabochons in a pretty little bag. I love these things, they're so pretty. This one's like a goldish color. Ooh, this one's gorgeous. It's got black and shifting like blue and purple and like some aqua color in there. That's absolutely beautiful. I love that one. And then this one is another color shift, and it's got blue and purple, kind of a pink, and some like gold in there. I love the like purple fade out on the edges. That's beautiful. Let's see what else we've got. Got some of the bag there. Ooh, this one's so pretty. I love that stamp color, or that stamp pattern rather. This one color shifts from greenish gold. That's really pretty. And you got some blue in the background and then the black of the stamp. Oh my goodness, this one is gorgeous. This one is like, I might have to make myself something out of this one. This one has like gold and pink and black. That's just really pretty. Let's see if I can get you a closer look at that one. Wow, that is quite a haul. The box was deceptively small. I was thinking, I don't know, what can you fit in that small box? But we got quite a bit of things that I can make. Now I'm gonna have to watch one of her tutorials on chainmail because I do a lot of wire wrapping, but I've always wanted to do chainmail, which is why I actually chose the random box, because I always wire wrap. So I thought, well, let's let Yvonne make the decision for me and she can choose what I get to work on. So now I'm gonna have to make something out of these and bring you guys along with me. This is my first crafting sort of video. I know I usually have just like meditations and life coaching sort of things on my channel, but you know what? I'm going to switch things up and do a little bit of everything. I'm just trying to do things that make my life better and make my life happy. And that's what we can do to make everything wonderful in our own little world. Well, thank you for being part of my unboxing. Definitely check out Miss Yvonne Williams. She is wonderful, amazing. Go be one of her patrons. I decided to take the plunge. I had never ever pledged for somebody on Patreon, and I've been watching her for a long time, and she has the she's just started working on the Craft-A-Long Con, which is amazingly interesting to me. And I want to see how these look. Ooh, those are nice. I'm going to be opening a lot of rings. And they're really nice and lightweight. I know a lot of chainmail stuff that I have looked at before, it's like super heavy, and these are really nice and light. But yeah, she started the Craft-A-Long Con idea, and I watch her live videos, and I became really interested in it because I'm a big crafter. I've always been into doing things that are crafty and artistic ever since I was a little girl. And when she said that she was working on this and needed support, I thought, you know what, let me go on Patreon and support her. And she has, when you become a $50 patron, you get the biggest Craft-A-Long kit that she has, and then you also get your information put on the Craft-A-Long Con website, which is a really amazing offer, especially if you are another business as well. So I decided to do that. She has other packages that are not as expensive. The first kit sponsorship, I believe, is the $10 one, and you get a cabochon box, so you would get these only. And then I believe there's a $20 Craft-A-Long kit and a $30 Craft-A-Long kit, possibly a $40 one. I have to, hang on, let me Let me look on my phone here and tell you exactly what we've got going on. Okay, the Craft Along kits, the $50 package includes materials to complete 4 to 6 pieces depending on the complexity of the project, and this looks like it would definitely create 4 to 6 projects for sure. So these I'll probably do wire wrapping on, and I don't know what I'm going to do with the chainmail just yet. And she has a wire wrapping, chainmail, or dealer's choice package for each level, which is, I chose the dealer's choice package because, well, I'm really bad at making decisions still. I'm working on it, but I still do not quite get there with making decisions. Okay, and she has the packages in a $40 kit, which the $40 kit will make between 3 and 5 projects. The $30 will create 2 to 4 projects. And you get the same choices in all of those levels. You can either get the wire wrapping only, chainmail only, or dealer's choice, which again is the one that I picked, and you get random objects. And then for $20, that is the small box, which has enough materials for 1 to 3 completed projects. And then the $10 tier is the cab only box, which is just the cabochons, and I don't know if that includes resin pieces or not, but I'm very pleased with the amount of materials that I got and the incredibly high quality cabochons. They're beautiful. I'm loving every single one of them. It's going to be really hard to part with them. I especially love this one. This one is just gorgeous, but I really like them all. And the resin pieces. I do make resin pieces, but I don't have these particular molds, so that's always interesting to have something different. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to next month when I get my next box, and I will be unboxing it with you. Also, I have subscribed to the premium Elves box by Sophie and Toffee, so I will be opening that one when it comes in as well. I actually got this box yesterday, and I waited all night so I could do the unboxing on video, and I did not open it. I am so proud of myself. I resisted the urge to open the box and see what was in it. You saw me struggle with it, so you know it wasn't open previously. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out Yvonne Williams. I will put a link to her Patreon in the description box. Check out her videos, they're awesome. And I hope you enjoy my videos. I will keep up with random things since I love the dealer's choice kind of idea. I think I'm just going to keep posting things that make me happy and bring me joy on my page. If you like something more than others, you know, feel free to watch whatever you want. But I hope you enjoy my videos and you have a lovely and wonderful journey. Bye-bye.